In the rapidly evolving world of technology, artificial intelligence stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Among the many advancements within AI, prompt engineering has emerged as a critical skill, bridging the gap between human intention and machine understanding. Imagine a world where you could converse with machines, instructing them to perform tasks with the same ease as talking to a colleague. Prompt engineering makes this possible. At its core, prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective instructions or prompts that guide AI systems to generate desired outputs. Just as a conductor guides an orchestra to produce harmonious music, a well-crafted prompt steers AI models towards producing accurate, relevant, and creative results. This powerful technique is revolutionizing how we interact with AI. From generating realistic images and writing compelling stories to translating languages and summarizing complex documents, prompt engineering empowers us to harness the full potential of AI. As AI continues its rapid integration into various industries, mastering prompt engineering is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It is a skill that empowers individuals and organizations to unlock new possibilities and navigate the ever-evolving landscape of AI. To truly master the art of prompt engineering, one must first understand the fundamental building blocks of an effective prompt. These key components act as the DNA of your instructions, shaping the AI's response and determining the success of your interaction. First and foremost, clarity is paramount. A prompt should be unambiguous and easily understood by the AI model. Avoid using jargon, technical terms, or complex sentence structures that might confuse the system. Remember, simplicity is key. Next, context is crucial. Provide the AI with sufficient background information and relevant details to guide its understanding of the task at hand. This could include specifying the desired format, length, style, or target audience of the output. Furthermore, constraints are essential for shaping the AI's response. By setting limits on the output, such as word count, topic scope, or sentiment, you can ensure that the generated content aligns with your specific requirements. Finally, remember the importance of examples. Providing the AI with a few high-quality examples of the desired output can significantly improve its understanding of your intent and enhance the accuracy and relevance of its response. Having explored the key components of an effective prompt, let's delve into some best practices that will elevate your prompt engineering skills to the next level. These practical tips will help you craft prompts that elicit accurate, creative, and desired responses from AI systems. Firstly, always begin with a clear objective in mind. Before crafting your prompt, clearly define the task you want the AI to perform and the specific outcome you hope to achieve. This clarity of purpose will guide your choice of words and structure, ensuring that your prompt effectively communicates your intent. Secondly, embrace the power of iteration. Don't expect to craft the perfect prompt on your first attempt. Start with a basic prompt and experiment with different phrasings, keywords, and examples to see how the AI responds. This iterative process will help you fine-tune your prompts and achieve optimal results. Thirdly, leverage the power of few-shot learning. When working with more complex tasks, consider providing the AI with a few examples of the desired input-output pairs. This technique, known as few-shot learning, can significantly improve the AI's ability to generalize and generate accurate responses. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of feedback. After receiving the AI's response, carefully evaluate its quality and identify any areas for improvement. This feedback loop will help you refine your prompts over time and enhance your overall prompt engineering skills. While prompt engineering is a powerful tool, it's not without its pitfalls. Even experienced practitioners can fall prey to common mistakes that hinder the effectiveness of their prompts. Let's shed light on these pitfalls and equip you with the knowledge to avoid them. One common mistake is being too vague or ambiguous in your prompts. AI models thrive on specificity. Avoid using general terms or open-ended questions that leave room for interpretation. Instead, provide clear and concise instructions that leave no room for doubt. Another pitfall is neglecting to provide sufficient context. Remember, AI models don't possess inherent knowledge of the real world. It's crucial to provide them with the necessary background information and relevant details to guide their understanding of the task at hand. Furthermore, avoid overwhelming the AI with overly complex prompts. While it's tempting to cram as much information as possible into a single prompt, this can often lead to confusion and inaccurate responses. Instead, break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks with clear instructions for each. Finally, be wary of introducing bias into your prompts. AI models learn from the data they are trained on, and biased prompts can perpetuate or even amplify existing biases. Strive to create prompts that are neutral, objective, and inclusive to ensure fair and unbiased responses. Section 5. Advanced Techniques. Level up your prompt engineering game. As you gain proficiency in prompt engineering, you'll discover a world of advanced techniques that can further enhance your ability to elicit sophisticated and nuanced responses from AI systems. These techniques, while requiring a deeper understanding of AI models, offer exciting possibilities for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. One such technique is prompt chaining, which involves breaking down complex tasks into a series of interconnected prompts. Each prompt builds upon the previous one, guiding the AI through a step-by-step process to achieve the desired outcome. This approach is particularly useful for tasks that require multiple stages of reasoning or creative output. Another advanced technique is temperature control. Most AI models allow you to adjust a parameter called temperature, which controls the randomness or creativity of the generated output. Lower temperatures produce more deterministic and predictable responses, while higher temperatures encourage more diverse and unexpected results. Furthermore, explore the world of fine-tuning. This technique involves training an AI model on a specific dataset to improve its performance on a particular task or domain. By fine-tuning a model on your own data, you can create a customized AI system that is tailored to your unique needs and requirements. Finally, stay abreast of the latest advancements in prompt engineering. The field is constantly evolving, with new techniques and approaches emerging regularly. Engage with the AI community, attend conferences, and read research papers to stay ahead of the curve and unlock new possibilities. Section 6. Applications in Action. Real-world examples of prompt engineering. The applications of prompt engineering are vast and continue to expand as AI technology advances. Across various industries, prompt engineering is transforming how we work, create, and interact with information. Let's explore some compelling real-world examples that showcase the power and versatility of this technique. In the realm of content creation, prompt engineering is revolutionizing how we generate high-quality written, visual, and audio content. Marketing teams leverage AI-powered tools to generate compelling ad copy, social media posts, and even entire blog articles, all tailored to specific target audiences. In the field of customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants powered by prompt engineering are transforming how businesses interact with their customers. These AI-powered agents can understand and respond to customer queries with remarkable accuracy, providing instant support and personalized experiences. Moreover, prompt engineering is playing a pivotal role in scientific discovery and research. Scientists are leveraging AI models to analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and generate hypotheses, accelerating the pace of innovation in fields like medicine, materials science, and climate change. These examples merely scratch the surface of the vast potential of prompt engineering. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more creative and impactful applications emerge across various industries and aspects of our lives. Section 7. Benefits of prompt engineering. Unlocking the potential. The benefits of mastering prompt engineering are numerous and far-reaching, empowering individuals and organizations to harness the transformative power of AI in unprecedented ways. Let's delve into some of the key advantages that this skill offers. Firstly, prompt engineering enhances productivity and efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows, AI-powered tools free up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and high-value activities. Secondly, prompt engineering fosters innovation and creativity. By providing a new medium for human-AI collaboration, prompt engineering empowers individuals to explore novel ideas, experiment with different approaches, and push the boundaries of what's possible in their respective fields. Moreover, prompt engineering promotes accessibility and democratizes AI technology. With user-friendly interfaces and intuitive tools, prompt engineering makes it easier for individuals with varying technical expertise to leverage the power of AI, fostering greater inclusivity and participation in the AI revolution. Finally, prompt engineering empowers us to address complex challenges and solve real-world problems, from accelerating scientific discovery to improving healthcare outcomes and combating climate change. Prompt engineering provides a powerful tool for tackling some of humanity's most pressing issues. Section 8. The future of prompt engineering, a glimpse ahead. As we stand at the cusp of a new era defined by artificial intelligence, the future of prompt engineering appears brighter than ever. The field is poised for continued growth and innovation, driven by advancements in AI technology and the increasing demand for skilled practitioners. One exciting trend is the development of more sophisticated and specialized AI models. These advanced models, trained on massive datasets and capable of performing increasingly complex tasks, will require even more nuanced and sophisticated prompt engineering techniques to unlock their full potential. Another trend is the rise of no-code and low-code platforms that make AI more accessible to non-technical users. These platforms will empower individuals with little to no coding experience to leverage the power of prompt engineering, further democratizing AI technology and fostering greater participation in its development and application. Furthermore, we can expect to see greater integration of prompt engineering into various industries and aspects of our lives. From personalized education and entertainment to smart homes and autonomous vehicles, prompt engineering will play a pivotal role in shaping our future. The future of prompt engineering is filled with possibilities, promising to transform how we work, live, and interact with the world around us. By embracing this exciting field, we can unlock the transformative power of AI and shape a future where technology empowers and augments human potential. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the art of prompt engineering. In conclusion, prompt engineering has emerged as an indispensable skill in the age of artificial intelligence. It is the key to unlocking the vast potential of AI, empowering us to communicate our intentions, guide AI models, and achieve desired outcomes. By understanding the key components of effective prompts, embracing best practices, and avoiding common pitfalls, we can hone our prompt engineering skills and harness the transformative power of AI across various domains. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, the importance of prompt engineering will only continue to grow. By embracing this art, we can navigate the ever-evolving landscape of AI, unlock new possibilities, and shape a future where technology empowers and augments human potential. Let us embark on this exciting journey of exploration, experimentation, and innovation, guided by the art of prompt engineering. The future of AI awaits, and it is ours to shape.